Hello, good day. We are going to look at our topic, adding and subtracting algebraic fractions. So we should appreciate the fact that an algebraic fraction is any fraction that has got unknown variables or letters, like we are talking about algebra. So for example, x over 4 is an algebraic fraction, 2a over 3, b over 2. Those are all examples of algebraic fractions. And today we're going to look at how to simplify simple algebraic fractions using some of the methods that we've already looked at. Okay, so for today we're only going to be looking at addition and subtraction. So I've pre-selected number 1a from exercise 9.6 on page 93 in our learner's book or in our course book. Number 1a, 1b, 1j and 2c. So we'll start with 1a there. 1a says x over 5 plus x over 5. So 1a is x over 5, x over 5 plus x over 5, x over 5, like this, right? So when we have got two fractions with the same denominator like this, it's very easy. What we simply do is, in the answer, we only need to maintain the same denominator, and our denominator here is 5, so we maintain our same denominator there, and we maintain our denominator 5, which is being 5 like this. Okay, and we move on to let me just write 1, 5 like this. Okay, and then our numerator is going to be 5. Our numerator is going to be x plus x, or 1x plus 1x, which gives us 2x like this. So x over 5 plus x over 5 is equals to 2x over 5. Let's go to number b. Number b says x over 7 plus 3x over 7. So x over 7, x, what this looks like in x, okay, let me take that one again, x over 7 like this, plus 3x over 7, 3x, okay, let me erase this one, plus 3x over 7, okay, equals, so here again we have the same denominator, so it's not a problem. We are going to just continue the same denominator, and then for us to correctly work this one out, we just need to add the numerator as 1x plus 3x, which is equals to 4x, like this, 4x over 7. Okay, let's try a different one, or another problem where there are different denominators. J says y over 2 minus y over 8. Y over 2 minus y over 8. Y over 2 minus y over 8, like this, right, equals, so since here you can notice that 2 and 8 have different denominators, or are different, the denominators are different, the first thing that you need to do is to find the common denominator. In this case, the lowest common denominator, lowest common multiple would be 8. So we maintain this 8. Then what we do now, 2 into this 8, we get 4. 4 times y gives us 4y. I'm going to put like this, 4 bracket y. Okay, I'll extend this line as well. Let me not extend it in this way. Let me continue writing. So 4y, we maintain this minus, and then 8 into 8, that's 1. 1 times y is simply going to be y like this, right? So it is the same as saying 4y minus y like this, which we should have done simply in the first step, but I wanted to put it that way. And then 4y minus 1y is equals to 3y like this, and the denominator remains 8. Okay, like that, right? And then the last one is number 2c. Number 2c, it says 5c over 7 minus 2c over 5. Okay, so it wants us to show all the steps, so we're going to show all the steps as required. It says 5, let me write it like this, 5c over 7, right, minus 2c over 5 like this equals. So here you can notice that the denominators are different. So what should we do? Instead of, if we don't have time to look for the lowest common multiple of these denominators of 7 and 5, the simplest way would be just to multiply the denominators, okay? So the product of these multiples, also of the multiple set of the product of these denominators of 7 and 5 will give us the lower or the common denominator, which is 7 times 5 equals to 35. Alright, now we erase this 5 so that I write it once so that the computer can recognize like this. 35. Alright, yes, 35 like this, right? And then the numerator, it's to get the numerator, we now divide 7 into 35, we get 5, so it will be 5 like this, bracket 7 into 35, this is this 5, and then we multiply by the numerator there, so 5 bracket times 5c. Then we put this minus 5 into 35, that's 7, so we put our 7 there, and then 7 is going to multiply 2c like that, okay? 7 multiplying 2c. I'm going to just quickly correct this section. Okay, like this. So it's 5 bracket 5c minus 7 bracket 2c. Then the next stage is we want to solve this one. So 5 times 5, this is 25c like this. Then 7 times 2 is minus 14 here, minus 14c like this, right? Okay, what's happening there? Let me erase here so that okay, right, I'll continue writing in front here. I'll continue writing, I'll stretch our board like this, right? So this is equals to 5 times 5, we got 25c like that, 25c, 25 not x, c please, c. Then here we maintain the sign, 7 times 2, 14c over the common denominator 35, like that. Then we do the operations. 25 minus 14, that's 11c, then over 35, over 35, over 35, like that, over 35. Okay, 11c over 35 here, let me correct here on top. Okay, 11c, like that, 11c, 11c, this is not a K computer, I want 11 and then a C, like that, yes, 11c over 35. Okay, so if you've got any problems, just highlight and we'll see what you can